So in this video, we're going to look at conditional sequencing. So I have a couple of notes here. It's running through my MIDI signal to my analog 4 with a preset that I made on it. What I can do with this is hold down a note, then we turn this knob here. If we turn right, we're going to see a bunch of these numbers here. So to understand how that works is I'm just going to go 1 of 2. So this means if there's 2 bars, it's only going to play on the first bar. The other bar, it's not going to play. So let's press play and we'll notice this note playing the first time. Didn't play, and it played again. So you can do that and let's say apply that to these too. We'll make that one 2 of 2. So it'll play this the first time and this the second. Also, we can hold down 2 notes. We can make this go, say, only play on the second of 4. So all of these notes are going to be playing at different times now. So what I'm going to do is reset these back to 100. And I want to illustrate how probability works. So I can hold on to a note here and turn. If we turn to the left, we notice increments of 5. Now this is a percentage that the note will play. So if it's at 50%, it's like flipping a coin and saying if it lands on heads, then play the note. If it lands on tails, don't play it. So that's kind of what you're working with in 50%. I want to apply it to this too. Now I did want to mention, now that we applied it to 2 notes playing at the same time, if you add notes and they add up to 100, that means we're telling the conditional statement, we're telling it go here, or whatever notes we have to whatever probability that they're set to. So this is set to 50. So if I press play, there's a 50% chance of it playing that note and a 50% chance of playing that note. Let's extend that and hold these 2 notes down and do the same, 50 and 50. And these as well. So now we're going to have a lot of different chances of different note structures or phrases. So you can get really creative, and by adding more and more, you can create interesting patterns that kind of create on their own. Let's add a note right here. So what we're going to do is make this into 3. So what we can do if we want it to choose either or, let's make one of them 30 and 2 of them 35. So that way it's going to be either or because those all add up to 100. So we're going to go up here, let's add 2 more notes on here. So now we have 4. So what we do is just hold these 2 down, go down to 25. And then these go down to 25. So now it has a quarter of a chance each note. Now we're going to go into a kit. Now this applies to drums as well. So we can make really short patterns that have a lot of variation. So I'm just going to pick one of these drum kits here. Just put the snares here, maybe some here, and so we're going to make all of these conditionals. Let's make these a little lower percentage. So let's press play and see what it sounds like.